Wait, are we close? Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our, what month is it? Our March Boxycharm unboxing. The last few months, Boxycharm has really let me down. So I'm really hoping that this month is not going to be terrible. It's not going to be disappointing. And I only know what one of these products are. So we will see what the rest of the box is going to be looking like. And this is just their original basic generic box. Is that what it's called? I don't know what it's called, but it's the one that's $25 a month. So we got some cushion this month. Last month I didn't get a cushion, and I didn't get a pamphlet or a little flyer telling you what the theme is. So this month we have one, and this is called Pretty Edgy. And all right, so I'm just gonna read everything as I open it. And oh, we actually got extra cushion this month. Okay, so the first product that I have in my box is the product I already picked. So this is what I knew was coming in my box. This is from Sutra, and it's a mini ceramic curling wand with a cool tip. And this retails you for $50. So because my hair is pretty short, I mean, it's growing right now, but because it's pretty short, I thought it'd be really handy to have a small little curling iron. I haven't curled my hair in a really long time, so we'll see. I'm just gonna throw this little thing in the garbage. Oh. Okay, so you get your instructions, you know, the normal thing. And this is what it looks like. It's cute. Yeah, I'm excited. I'll try to curl my hair and see how it goes. But yeah, I haven't curled my hair in a really long time. So, and I like that it's purple. Okay, I'm wasting too much time just pulling this out. So we're just gonna move on. So the next product we have here is a palette. And this is their Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. This retails you for $39. And I know they had 3 palettes. Yeah, I think there was 3 palettes that you could have gotten in your box. One was a Hank and Henry, and then 2 of their versions of the Hello Charmer. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. Oh, this is pretty. This is actually really nice. So this is what it looks like, and all of the names are pretty much all Boxycharm related. So you have Boxy, then you have Charmer, full size, exclusive, spoiler, luxe, unboxing, sneak peek, premium, swipe up, pop up, and cup of Joe. So these actually look really nice. I'll film a tutorial using this since we have a palette, and then we can really test out the shadows. I'll do swatches, I'll do all of that for you guys. But this actually looks really nice. So the next, oh good, okay. So the next product is this right here. I was actually hoping I was going to get this. So this is from Kat Von D. Yeah, I think she changed her name, but I'm just gonna call it Kat Von D. You guys know what I'm talking about. The Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Metal Crush Liquid Highlighter. And this is in the shade Gold School. I can't open this because I put these nails on. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just a nice little wand right here. I do wanna swatch this because I'm really excited about this. How many pumps does it take? This is the only thing I hate about these little twisty things. I'm about to give up in like 3 seconds. Okay, I'm getting a little bold now. This would suck if this was broken. I'm just sitting here for like an hour. Oh, oh, something's coming out. Okay. Wait. Oh, okay. So it actually comes out like a creamy color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh my God. Look, can you guys see that? That is so pretty. Oh, this is... I'm gonna close this. I wanna see what it feels like. Oh, it's so smooth and just, this is really, really pretty. I'm very, very excited. I'm not showing you guys properly, but I'm really excited about this. This is so, so nice. Nice and glittery and nice and smooth. It doesn't feel gritty at all. Her products are incredible, so I wasn't expecting anything less. So moving on. Oh, did I say what that, how much that retails you for? That's $25. And then this right here is from Becca, and it's the Ultimate Lip Definer. This retails you for $18. It is an 8-hour longwear lip liner that effortlessly contours and defines the lips with a perfect balance in color, precision, built-in sharpener, you know. I'm just going to open that. I've never used any of Becca's lip liners. I think the only thing from Becca that I've used is primer and highlighters. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, okay. So it looks like a really, really nice nude. So that's what it looks like. Hopefully it will show up on me, but that color is actually really, really nice. And this is in the shade Howdy. So this is really nice too. And I already said the price on that, right? If I didn't, $18. And the last thing we got right here is a lipstick from Appeal. This is $21 and it is a satin finish. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, that looks pretty. That looks like a really nice terracotta shade. Let's swatch this and wait, what color is this? And does it even say? Dulce. Dulce? Dolce? Oh, that's really nice. So this is the color and this is the lip liner. These two actually look like it could go really, really well together. And this is a satin finish. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the box. I'm happy. I'm very happy. I am no longer disappointed. I was really disappointed the past couple of months because I wasn't getting anything that I was liking, but the curling wand I'm excited about. I picked that one. The palette I'm really excited about. The highlighter I'm super, super excited about. And the lip liner and lipstick, they both look really, really nice. So I don't have any complaints about anything that I received. I think this month was a really, really good box. So I'm happy. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video, and I will do a try on mini tutorial with you guys. So if you see any colors in here that I'll show it to you really quickly again. So if you see any colors in here that you'd like me to try out before I film the tutorial, let me know in the comments below and I can do it for you. But I think I have a really good idea of what I want to do with this palette. But the colors are really nice and I think you can do a lot with this. So I'm really happy with this palette that I got. So we're going to end the video here. I will see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.